How much do I need to open an Ally Bank account? Intro. Hey everyone, you're saving up for a dream vacation, a new car, or maybe even a down payment on a house. You've heard about Ally Bank and its reputation for great interest rates and online-only convenience. But before you dive in, there's one burning question on your mind. How much do you actually need to open an account with Ally Bank? Hook. Today, we're going to answer that question and explore everything you need to know about opening an Ally Bank account. So, grab your favorite beverage and let's get started. Building context. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk a bit about Ally Bank itself. Ally is a digital-only bank, meaning it doesn't have physical branches. This allows them to offer higher interest rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. But does this mean you need a hefty sum to get started? Minimum deposit requirements. The short answer is no, you don't need a lot of money to open an Ally Bank account. Here's a breakdown of the minimum deposit requirements for their most popular accounts. Ally Savings Account, one of the most popular options. The Ally Savings Account requires a minimum opening deposit of just $0. Yes, that's right, you can start saving with Ally without putting down a single penny. Ally Money Market Account. If you're looking for a slightly higher interest rate and the ability to write checks, the Ally Money Market Account requires a minimum opening deposit of $1,000. Ally CD Account. For those seeking even higher interest rates with a fixed term, Ally offers CDs with minimum opening deposits ranging from $500 to $10,000, depending on the term. Additional fees and considerations. While Ally Bank is known for its low fees, there are a few things to keep in mind. Monthly maintenance fees. Ally doesn't charge any monthly maintenance fees for its savings, money market, or CD accounts. Early withdrawal penalties. If you withdraw money from a CD before its maturity date, you may be subject to an early withdrawal penalty. ATM fees. Ally doesn't charge ATM fees for withdrawals at all point ATMs. However, you may incur fees from other ATMs. Opening an Ally Bank account. Now that you know the minimum deposit requirements, let's talk about how to actually open an account. The process is simple and can be completed entirely online. Visit Ally Bank's website, head over to ally.com and click on the Open an Account button. Choose an account type. Select the account that best suits your needs, such as a savings account, money market account, or CD. Provide personal information. You will be asked to provide basic information like your name, address, and social security number. Fund your account. Choose how you want to fund your account, such as by linking your existing bank account or using a debit card. Review and submit. Review your application and submit it. Once approved, your account will be created. Tips for getting the most out of your Ally Bank account. Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of your Ally Bank account. Set up automatic transfers. Automate your savings by setting up recurring transfers from your checking account to your Ally account. Take advantage of Ally's online tools. Ally offers a variety of online tools to help you track your progress and make informed financial decisions. Consider Ally's other products. In addition to savings and checking accounts, Ally also offers other financial products like mortgages, auto loans, and investment services. Conclusion. So, how much do you need to open an account with Ally Bank? As we've seen, the minimum deposit requirements are quite low, making it easy for anyone to start saving or investing. With Ally's competitive interest rates, online convenience, and low fees, it's no wonder why so many people choose Ally for their banking needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.